Good morning, everybody. If you're just coming onto my live, tap on that screen and show your girl some love. Okay, we're going to go on and get started. I'm going to use Private Beach. Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to use my IMV eyeshadow palette Gold, and I'm going to use their, if you guys can see it, the Private Selection, which is like a brown color. And I'm going to apply it here in the outer corner of my eye. So I already did my eyebrows. And then I'm going to do some gold. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner. I'm going to do something very simple this morning. Simple and natural. Then I'm going to add a little bit of nude. In the middle of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses eyeliner, tattoo marker eyeliner. The color is Black is Black. Thank you, guys. Hi. I was trying to... So these are the lashes. I'm going to bend these lashes. And I'm going to use my Super Strong Hold 3D lashes. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Especially, finally somebody off YouTube spoke. I thought TikTok was going to beat you guys. Good morning. I'm just going to apply the lash glue around the rim of my lashes. Hello, good morning. I am from the United States. How about you? Where are you from? Good morning, everybody. Now everybody asks me, are you Indian? So Either I'm Indian or they ask me and I'm Jamaican. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all can't see the colors. But I will try to post the palette in the video later tonight on TikTok first, you guys know. And I'll have it open so you guys can see the colors. So I just applied some nude in the middle here. It's not white, it's nude. And I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, Ruby Kisses, Black is Black. And then I'm going to go in with my Amazon glitter palette. I'm just going to show more gold. Okay. And what color eyeliner should I do, guys? I didn't. I didn't do a pre-record. I just usually just come on. I didn't do a pre-record. Because, okay, so I go live. I come on here and go live. And then they can show you a way of you can download it. So that's what I usually do. I download my lives because a lot of people don't see them. Because everybody be at work and, you know, in school. So I do, you know, understand that. So I said, well, let me just download the live and I'll make it into a full content. Oh, okay. Popped up and that's how I knew you were live. Oh, okay. You know, I definitely said I don't know how TikTok doing it because they changed the algorithm again. Be a good. Thank you, and same to you. I will definitely check out your page. I'm gonna screenshot your name so I won't forget. So I'll check you out. But I did follow you. Because I'm new too. You're welcome. just devastating. But oh, if you guys are on YouTube, follow me on YouTube, Modest Transformation by Celeste as well. And if you guys on YouTube, follow me on TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. It just don't have the modest in front for TikTok. So you guys can follow me on there. And also follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste as well. And my personal page, sexyriri_93. I need to find out a way how to put like all my platform names here. I gotta figure out how to do that. Trying to get this hair together.